See these clogged pores? Yeah, we're not doing this anymore. Hi guys! Today's video is going to be quick and easy, and it's going to be all about how I clear and clean off these blackheads on my nose. I have very large pores and they can get clogged very easily, so I have some tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you guys so that way we can say goodbye to any blackheads on our noses and on our faces. Are you ready? I think you are. Let's get to it. So step one is to open up your pores. And for this, I like to use the makeup eraser. If you haven't heard of this, this is a 100% polyester cloth, and the dual-sided texture of this cloth is amazing because it allows you to remove your makeup without using any makeup remover and just relying on water. So usually I do this routine at the end of my day, so I have to remove my makeup. So this is great because I like to use warm water to remove the makeup, but also to steam my face. So for the makeup eraser here, I'm warming it up, and you can feel free to use my code CUTIE15 to get 15% off your makeup eraser order. The link will be in the description box. But I like to remove my makeup with this and then hold the cloth on my nose with warm water to help open the pores so that I can clear them out. So once I open my pores, it's time for step two, which is to use a pore strip. I swear by these PORE charcoal nose strips. I feel like they work a lot better than the original, and I like the PORE strips because they're super user-friendly and they give you the steps on the actual strip, so you can't get this wrong. So I apply this to a damp nose. I leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and I went ahead and decided to do my makeup for the day after jamming out a little bit. So while I was waiting, I did my makeup since this was the morning when I filmed this, and then it was time to do the hard part, which is ripping this off your face. It's not that bad, but it is a little painful, but once you get past the tears, you can look at your masterpiece. I tried to show you guys as much as possible what I got out of it, but it was hard for you guys to see, and I also wasn't completely satisfied, so that usually leads to step three, which is all about actual extraction. And for this, I do something really weird with a pair of tweezers, so I'm giving you a disclaimer that if you are cringy when it comes to zits and things like that, don't watch. But what I like to do is I like to press the tweezer on my nose. I kind of look like the little pigs from Angry Birds, but I pretty much press and drag the tweezers up my pores. You can see how huge my pores are, but this actually pushes any of the extra gunk out of my pores, including blackheads. So I decided to give you this really ASMR-y, I guess, type of video footage of me clearing out my pores. So you can see I'm just pressing down. It's not hard enough that it hurts, but it is kind of rough. You might have feel the need to sneeze throughout this process. It's very difficult not to, but it's very satisfying clearing out your pores this way, so I like to do this. My final step is step four, which is to mask and tone. So I'm just going to go in with the Clinique. This is their purifying mask, and I like to use this because it bubbles up on the skin, and it provides your skin clarity and freshness in as little as 2 minutes. So I like to use this in the morning because it's a really quick mask, and it does all of that without irritating my skin. So I like to just watch it bubble up. I made sure to fast forward so you guys can see as it does its magic, and instead of looking like that pig, I now look like Mermaid Man. But you know, you win some, you lose some. So after waiting 2 minutes, I rinse this mask off, tone my nose, and the process is all finished. So this is the 4-step easy quick process you guys can follow to get rid of your blackheads. And just so you can see the difference in my large pores and their dirtiness, they were really grimy in the beginning of this video and they were clean afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!